Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer, and in this video, I'm gonna be showing you exactly what VViral or VViral is. This is a new software which lets you create both quote videos, GIF videos, and one third thing, viral videos. So three type of videos like the ones you are watching here. For example, you can see this video here of hilarious cat viral videos have been receiving 12 million views in the last 6 months. Okay, so it is possible, and that's the reason they have added this headline here. It says reveals stealth software turns keyword into unlimited free viral traffic videos in 60 seconds. 40 million free visitors to one video. Okay, so is this possible? Of course it is. Is this gonna happen to you? I can't say for sure, but the method is there, and it's possible. You can see more about that in the sales page below this video, which is actually, well, you're gonna get to my bonus page, and if you click any of these buttons here, you're gonna get access to this sales page here. Now, you want to have in mind that once my timer hits 0, my bonuses are going to expire. Not the product, but my bonuses. Okay, so before I show you everything inside this product, I'm gonna go through my bonuses here. And before I talk about my bonuses, don't forget to leave any comments or questions if you have any in the comment section. Don't forget to click the link, okay, below in the description. Now, these bonuses have been created by me. This is not private label content. This is custom made by me. Most of them have been created by me. Okay, so the bonus number 1 is a little known app you can use for massive viral traffic. Now, this app is something that I recently discovered, and I've heard about it, about this app for some time, but I never paid any attention to it. But when I saw the possibilities here, and I think that this very specific app matches very well with viral videos. Okay, so I do believe if you use it now when it's trending, you're gonna get some real benefits from it. Now, the bonus number 2 is, and this is something special, and I have a bonus membership license that I have, which I charge each month too. But this is something different from that bonus license membership. Okay, this is something else. I'm saying this because you might seen that bonus membership. So what this is a 1-year access to my premium coaching group, where I show you exactly how I'm able to rank so well on YouTube. So if you've seen my videos, you've seen that in most of the cases, I usually rank at the first spots on YouTube. Okay, now I usually charge people $45 per month to get access to my special coaching group. Okay, but I'm gonna waive that fee today, and only today, if you decide to pick this up through my link below in the description. Now, this is 1 year, guys. Okay, so what does it mean? If we take $45 per 12 months, that's $540. So you're saving $540 if you decide to pick this up through me. So you're gonna see that this is in fact the best bonus for this launch. Now, you wanna stick with me for this video because I'm gonna show you some other bonuses here. The bonus number 3 is my premium YouTube training course, and this includes how to set up your channel and how to get traffic, which is very important. Together, this is going to tie in very well with this product. Also, 4 keys to rank on YouTube and increase your chances of becoming viral. The bonus number 5, and this is crucial. Most people don't pay attention to this, but this is very important. How to make killer thumbnails that goes viral. Okay. Now, the bonus number 6 is you're gonna get my paid 7K or 7,000 a month just with video training. Plus, this includes a total mindset training on how you want to think to make this work or anything, you want to reach your goals. The bonus number 7 is how to make your viewers addicted to your videos for massive viral exposure. This is a video series training. And this is really good. Okay, this is going to help you get the best out of this product. The bonus number 8 is limited. Okay, this is 1 month free access to me through email. Okay, so this is something that you're going to receive if you decide to pick this up today, plus all the vendor bonuses. So that being said, let's head over to the app. As I mentioned earlier, there's 3 type of videos that you can generate, which is quote videos, GIF videos, and viral videos. You want to have a look at this video here, which is a demo of how this works. Okay, it's like 10 minutes. And below here, you can see the video title. You can see the type, which is 720 or 1080. That's the difference. Now, I'm going to talk about those differences and which, if you need to get any of the OTOs to access a better quality, you want to stick with me because I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Okay, so here you have the quality, the status, action required, fail, or whatever, and you can click here to edit it. But let's take one example. Okay, if we go to quote videos, and let's see here. So they have inserted, a background here, and you can erase this or you can keep it as it is, and you can add a new one here. So here you can see the time that you want to have behind or between each clip or image. You can set that here. You can see all the texts here for the slide, or you can add, or you can change, or you can delete. You can select the text position if you want to. You can have it at the top, as you can see here. You can change the font like this or like this. You can change the text color. You can change the text background like this. The opacity, the font size. You can change that around, okay? And if we go to the next one, that's the same principle, okay? Then from here, you can upload images from your computer if you want to, here, okay? They have a library as well. You can search for images like, for example, cats. Gonna search for that. And here you're gonna be able to see, you can select different cats, like this one looks really good. You can also select videos here. I guess that's another option that you can do if you want to. And then the next step is you just click on next, and you can upload a logo, or you can also use a watermark if you want to. And you can also upload files from your computer if you want to, or you can remove it. You can change the position like this. And the next thing is just click on next. And that's basically it's not. Now you can add some, background music or tracks here if you want to. I'm gonna see if I can play any of these so you can hear this a little bit how it sounds. For example, this one, or maybe this one. So you have an idea how it sounds. They have a text-to-speech function if you want to for the slides. You insert the text here. You can select the language. You can select, the voice for what you want to type on. Hi, this is a cat video. Basically, you can pick, the language. Let's say English, and then you select the voice. It can be a male or a female, and then you generate it. And that's it. And yeah, you click on next. Now here's the thing, you can select 720p or 1080p, but you want to stick with me because there's a couple of differences here and you want to know what that is. Okay, so yeah, anyhow, I'm going to click on this one here, 1080p. I'm going to start creating the video, and that's it. Then you just have to wait for it to finish rendering. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Now if we go over to the GIF videos, it follows the same basic principle. I'm gonna type in cats here, and you can select the number of slides. I'm gonna select 3. And then, as you can see here, this is pretty funny here. And I would go to the library here, and you can search here for different images as videos. I'm gonna pick this one here. So this follows basically the same principle as I showed you earlier. So if you want to use this for YouTube, for example, I would recommend that you upload or you save it as MP4. And then we have the viral videos, which are going to, search the internet. Sorry. Search the internet for different cat videos, for example, cats, number of slides 4. And the good thing about this software and is, some people might be a little bit worried about this if it is following, the terms of services for platforms such as YouTube. And what they're stating is that they are following, the terms of service. So you can, rest. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. So that's basically it. It works, it's very easy to use. This is cloud-based, and it's a nice software for creating compilation videos, such as the ones you see here, for example. Okay, and it has a lot of potential of becoming viral. Now, if we talk about the prices and the upsells, the first thing that you want to have in mind, and I want to show you that here because the price is going to be $19.97. Okay, $19.97. But the thing is here that the price is going to increase today in just a couple of hours, okay, to $37.97. I'm not sure if that is in 4 hours or 6 hours after the launch. Okay, so you want to have that in mind and grab this once it launches. Okay, so this is a cloud-based viral video creation app that lets you create a mass viral or mass traffic viral videos emulating the same videos using or currently getting millions of views like the ones I showed you here. Using VViral, you can create 3 types of videos using just a keyword and easy to use VViral timeline editor. So funny GIF compilations videos, motivational quotes style videos, trending or top 10 clips compilation videos. This is everything that you get with the front end product. I really recommend you get the OTO number 1. It costs $67, but you get unlimited quote videos, GIF videos, and trending videos, which is actually pretty great. And you get all of these features here. And that's actually something that I do believe you're going to benefit from. So I definitely recommend the OTO number 1. And the OTO number 2, and one more thing, talking about, 1080p, one of the reasons why you want to get this one is because YouTube tends to rank HD videos higher. Okay, so the better quality your videos are, YouTube is going to rank you even better. Okay, so going back to the OTO number 2 is the AMC News Pro machine for $97. And this is about this is a training on how to make money using videos and Amazon. So this is a little bit different, not directly related to viral videos, but related to Amazon. So this is not something that you need if you're strictly interested in the viral aspect of this. Okay, now however, if you want to get a little bit more out of this and you are into Amazon, or if you want to learn Amazon, I definitely recommend the OTO number 1 for $97. If not, you can just entirely skip this one. The OTO number 3 is the Site agency license. This costs $47 a year, and this is, from what I understand, kind of a syndication tool to 10 video sites and 15 social sites, and you can connect unlimited accounts. This might be useful if you want, some extra help to get ranked. Okay, so this is going to help, and the price for this is for a year. So this is actually pretty great. I do recommend this one if you want to get some extra boost. Okay, now the OTO number 4 is the Vid Optimize Neos for $27. This is a research, analyze, and rank videos tool. This one I do recommend because this is a great tool for knowing where you are ranking. You want to get some extra data from your work. Okay, so this is going to save you time, and it's going to help you know where to focus your efforts. Okay, so I definitely recommend the front end and the OTO one. Definitely those two right off the bat. The OTO number 2, as I mentioned, I will skip that one, but definitely the OTO 3 and the 4th one. Okay, so that is what I can say. I hope you found this useful, and don't forget, check the link in the description, also the bonuses as well. And that is what I can say about this review. Thank you for watching this video, and I guess I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.